Guys, it's time to change out the blade. I was cutting some wood and I hit a nail. Let me see if I can find it here for you. I think it's it right there. So when this goes through the guides, you can see it actually gets stuck. So if you force it through, you can kind of see how it's out of shape now. So what I did is I went on Amazon, and there's a lot of vendors out there, but let me show you what I got. So I got the Supercut. It's supposed to be made in USA. You know, it's got good reviews. So we'll put this on and we'll see how it sounds. So let's go ahead and switch it out. That cuts like butter. Even the sound. Let me bring it up a little closer, see if you guys can hear this. Pretty good. So I'll give you guys an update after I saw up a bunch of wood and let you know how it holds up compared to some of the other blades I've had. But so far it's nice and sharp and it does a good job. So works for me.